corned beef at saka egg para sinabaw siya na makapag-ano.
Ang dami ako paano sa inyo naman. Thank you. Saan na ba ako? Ganito naman ko. Okay, honey. Yes, mom. Oh, yeah. Why did we go to this house? It's the winter breaks down. Why I like to go that? It's the leafy. The west. The east. Oh, that's cool. No, wait. It's fake. It's Cuenca. No, it's not. It's the cash street for. Okay, let's go. I know that place now. Wala ko bibili ko ng corned beef. May ipis!
Sama ako kasama ko. Ito pabili kayo corned beef.
Kakain ako eh.
Ha?
Kakain ako.
Para may corned beef.
I need to do breakfast. Okay. Oh no! We're out and keepers. We need this. Oh, nice, bro.
Milo ba kayo? Ha?
Mga Milo po. I'm going out first. Okay, Mom.
Nakasambali si Mami. Yun na, mamaya lang yung 1K.
Napaka naman nun.
Hmm?
Kala mo naman napakamahal.
Oo, asas Milo.
Ano?
Nakabakawin mo.
Bakit?
Nakabot.
Pati ang ina, naboto na yun eh. Uuwi na yun ng nino. Kala ko hindi tutuloy. Pag muna ko uuwi, Mami, mamumura ako nun. Sasabihin ako nung bakit wala ako. Ano mga si ano, si Haro. At ano sa, takot, galit siya sa ano. Nasa 80s. Ano ito? Ano ba? Apa? Takot din sa height? Nababalag yung ha? Mami, tubig. Ano kasi inom nito? Mama, inom ito? Wala ka na kayo. Meron pa ba yan? Kapag ano sa tayo na application. Sabay ako. Yung ano sa pulang sa ayun ng breakfast. Mama, bakit ba naingaw si... Okay, honey. Drink your medicine. I don't like this. It's not tasty. There's a monster in your bed. With your mom. Okay? Oh, no. I'm excited. Drink medicine now. I'll use it. What's your temperature? Wait, what? It's 10 degrees. Did I go to school today? I think I'm not going to be better anymore. Oopsie. Yun! Hindi na ito takot sa heights. Mami, kayo na nito sa heights. Hindi na eh. Hindi na eh. Okay. It's not, I think we're not going to the Tagalog first. Your baby brother don't like to go in Tagalog. Stop toy. I'll just give you this bro. Sister kid. I'll just cover my sleep well, my honey. I'm going to the pill tree first, honey. Please see. Okay.